Sis Lance! At sa araw na ito ay ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang ilan sa mga madalas makasalamuha na CBSU dogs o stray dogs sa loob ng Cavite State University. Indang Campus. This is Celine. She is a female dog kapon with 6-in-1 vaccine led by our fellow VetMed students. Isa sa pinakamababait na CBSU dogs. Lapit na si Monse upang patunayan yan. Meet Killy. Meet Brownie. Ang mga aso at pusa sa loob ng universidad ay pinangangalagaan at iniingatan ng mga estudyante, ng administrasyon at ng CBSU staffs. Kaya naman, a gentle reminder para sa ating lahat na sa tuwing nakakakita tayo ng stray dogs katulad nila, nakakatakot, nangangahol, or nangahabol man sila minsan. But that's all because they are frightened, scared, and was abused by most of the people. May we all be gentle and kind to them wherever we go and whenever we see them. Don't forget to like and follow this page. God bless. Keep safe.